These are the Goddard elevators, colored green. We're gonna go down. This long moving walkway goes all the way over to the terminal.
Going down.
It's got a voice. Go on the one. Gonna start with the cab view. I'm pretty sure all of the long-term elevators have the same cab. We're gonna go up to 8.
Going up. Level 8.
We are at 8. Let's go back to 4, since that's where we started.
Going down.
It says 7 landings, although there's actually 8 here. 8 says rooftop parking. And 4 says walkway to terminal parking.
Level 4.
All the rest just say parking. And there it goes. That's it.